Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can join Google Workspace Labs. So, in order to sign up or enter into this program, Google Workspace Labs, on Google search, you can search as join Google Workspace Labs. And you need to browse through the first website, which is workspace.google.com/labs sign up. So I just opened this on the separate tab. Okay, anyways, I'll be copying this link, the link of the Google Workspace Lab, and I'll be posting it in the description. If you want to directly access this link, just search in the description. You'll find this link, workspace.google.com/lab sign up. See here, sign up to express interest in joining Google Workspace Labs. So you need to manually enter into this program by reading all the terms and conditions on this particular page. If you're okay with that, at the bottom of their privacy policy, Workspace, Google Workspace Labs privacy policy and terms of conditions, if you're okay with that, you need to check those three check marks, those 3 points. By checking them, you're agreeing to their terms and policy. So I'll be agreeing 3 and I'll be submitting. So for few of the users, you may be kept in a waiting list. See, success, you're in, you now have access to Workspace Lab. So for me, there is no waiting period or something like that. But if at all, if there is something else other than this page, for some time you will be in the wait list, and you after some time you will be allowed into this program if they allow you. So how to know whether this Workspace Labs features like help me write or other features working on your Gmail account? Just open your Gmail. See here on the other tab, I already signed into my Gmail account. What I'll do is I'll just click on the compose, so that help me write option is one of the option for this Google Workspace Labs. Let me check that. So yeah, I'll be just closing all these websites and I'll be trying to open. Yeah, see here, when I browse through this Gmail, collaborate with Gemini in Gmail. Yeah, collaborate with Gemini in Gmail. Welcome to the Gemini Workspace Labs. Okay, fine. Yeah, is there any help me write option here? Yeah, see here, there is a pencil symbol with the star mark, something like magic symbol. When you click on that, the help me write option is enabled on my Gmail. This is the new feature which I achieved through this by joining on the Google Workspace Labs program. So this Google AI, the AI will compose an email, then you need to customize this email so that you can use this feature called help me write. And not only that, at the top right you will see Gemini AI logo symbol. You need to click on that, and here you can ask whatever your queries may be. Please do hit a like for this video.